There she is, the Honda S2000, and she's got the new top on. That is the Robbins top, the Stay Fast fabric. Oh, it looks so good. And what I like about this fabric is always going to stay nice and new like that. Rick is there finishing up the final touch. He's connecting the wires there for the defrost for the glass back there. And this is the Robbins top, Robbins Auto top. Integrity, quality, service, support, they're good. This is our fourth top on the Honda S2000, and we've had the last one for 6 years. It has stood up really well. If you have a convertible, you know that your convertible top is pretty much a wear and tear item. It's not going to last forever, but when it does, you're gonna enjoy it. And this is the Stay Fast fabric, so it always looks new. We love it. We've been through 4 tops. So the first one was a factory one. The second one was also a Honda factory one under warranty. And then after that, I decided to go for Robbins top, and they've been so good. And I decided to get another one when the last one happened to fail on me. The way that the tops have failed in the past for me. The very first one, that's in 2007, that's Honda's fault. Because you guys didn't know, there's a burr underneath one of these rollers right here that actually caused it to tear. And then that's kind of a recall. So they were able to replace the top and fix the burr, and that took care of it. And then there was another top that broke just over time because the mechanism on the OEM top, they wear a lot right as the catchers move back, and it just wears, and over time it just gets thin and tears over there. So that's another time we replaced it. And then the last time we replaced it was this window has fallen off. So Robbins top uses really good glue, but no matter how good of a glue you use, when you park your top outside in the sun, heat will shrink your top and it will eventually get the glass unglued. So that's just part of the nature. So we're glad we got our top replaced, and it's looking really good. Everything is stretched out, looks so nice. And of course we got the glass window right there and the top functions. I made sure that the straps right here are nice and tight because that's going to be the straps that pull back this bar here as it comes down, because as y'all know, the S2000 has a pretty intricate top design. So that's gonna pull down and it's gonna close. It's gonna be perfect. In fact, we can do a little quick test right here, right? Let's go ahead and open this up real quick. And get the key in here. So let's open up the top and take a look right there. There's the straps that pull back that rod, and it sits nicely back there, smooth as can be. We have the little thing here, and we have our glove box, hopefully still works good. And glove box, nice, perfect, looking good. You know, I had a little problem with my glove box before. It wasn't even latching on. I think there was some misalignment. Rick took care of that for me. It's looking good. I'm sure Rick did a water test, but we're gonna go home and do a water test later. Make sure nothing leaks, because that's one of the things about the S2000. They're very tricky to work on because there is a water barrier in here. If you put the rivet too far in and it doesn't go in all the way, it actually creates an opening and water leaks in. So you gotta make sure to watch out for that. But yeah, the top opens real well. I'm more concerned of the top when it's all up. So as the installer installs it, it's gotta be tight, it's gotta fit well. You have these straps right here. They gotta be nice and tight so it pulls back that piece right there. And then we have the latches that latches it on like that, and everything looks good. There we go, new top. Oh, beautiful. Thanks, Rick, it's looking good. Super excited to take this car back out on the road because it's summertime, and that's the best time to go top down when it's nice and breezy after the sun goes down. Oh, it's the time. And thanks Robbins top for helping us out with another top. We love these top. The fast cloth top, Stay Fast tops are the ones I recommend. If you do go with vinyl, they look more factory, but I'll tell you, vinyl looks old like in a week, and it'll look old forever. Whereas the Stay Fast cloth is deep black and it looks very modern because new convertibles use Stay Fast material and they look really good. You can go with vinyl, but let me tell you, we love the Stay Fast cloth and we love Robbins top, and we're so happy Rick took care of us because this is a beauty right here. Oh yeah, S2000, getting ready to hit the road. There we go. Vibe Mod, we're out.